Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Bahashem, Wakar Shalom to the elders, Wa'akim Akwaf, and I say Shalom, and the Heavenly Father, true name is Yahweh, His unbegotten Son, Bahashem, in the name of Mashiach Abishai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lashwan Kadash, the tongue. I say Shalom to the elders, Wa'akim Akwaf, and I say Shalom. And this is a sit-down lesson of this news article. This was earlier today from the Wall Street over there in New York, the stocks exchange. This is from CNBC.com, published by Hai Young Kim and Lisa Kailehan. Updated Friday, April the 12th, 4:18 p.m. Eastern Time, and it reads: the Dow Jones 570 points. The Dow Jones tumbles 570 points, and the S&P 500 suffers the worst day since January as inflation woes erupt. Live updates. It says stocks. Stocks sold off Friday as inflation, geopolitical worries once again denting investor sentiment of Wall Street. A broad decline in major bank shares also weighs on the market. The Dow Jones Industrial Average slid 575.84 points in the negatives, or 0.24%, closing a 37,983.24. The S&P 500 tumbled 1.46% at 5,123.41. The Nasdaq Composite pulled back by 1.62% and 16,175.09. It says at one point the trading session, the Dow Jones was down nearly 582 points, or 1.51%, and the S&P 500 slid as much as 1.75%. The week to date, the broad market index dropped 1.56%, and the 30 stock Dow fell 2.37%. Meanwhile, the tech-heavy Nasdaq is 0.45% lower for the week. JP Morgan shares declined more than 6% after the bank giant posted its first quarter results. The bank said net interest income, a key measure of what makes through lending activities, could be a short of what Wall Street analysts are expecting in 2024. CEO Jamie Dimon also warned about the immense inflationary pressures waiting on the economy. West Fargo slipped 0.4% after reporting the latest quarterly figures. Citigroup dropped 1.7% despite posting revenue beat. Oil prices continues to rise on the report that Israel is preparing for a direct attack by Iran this weekend in what could be the biggest escalations of tensions in the region since the outbreak of the Israel-Hamas last October. The U.S. crude settled $85.66 a barrel after rising above $87. That, coupled with fresh U.S. import data, added fuel to inflation concerns that have put pressure on the market. We are getting further risk of settlement heading into the weekend. You are seeing there's a flight to safety trade with the dollar stronger, and we are seeing equity selling off. A sell-off. Rob Hopwoff, U.S. Bank Health Management Senior Investment Strategist. That comes on the heels of the inflation data that shows the U.S. economy still pretty hot and the inflation sticky. And this what leads to investors to really adjust their expectations around the Fed. That's some why they're getting cautious heading into the weekend, said Hamwoff. Consumers are also growing worried about the permits inflationary pressure. The consumer settlement index for April came in at 77.9, below the Dow Jones consensus estimated 79.9, according to the University of Michigan survey. Consumers year ahead and long run inflation expectation also ticked up, reflecting frustrations over sticky inflation. It's the book of Jeremiah 51 and verse 7. It says, Jeremiah 51 and verse 7, it says, Babylon has been a golden cup in the Lord Yahweh's hand that made all the earth drunken. The nations have drunken for wine, therefore the nations are mad. Jeremiah 51 and verse 8, Babylon is suddenly fallen and destroyed. How for her take bond for her pain, if so she may be healed. The prophet Jeremiah 51 and verse 9, we would have healed Babylon, but she is not healed. Forsaken her, let us go everyone to his own country, for her judgments reach up to heavens, and is lifted up even to the skies. So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying of this recent news article for CNBC.com, published by Hyan Kim and Lisa Kali Han from CNBC.com, updated Friday, April the 12th, 2024 at 4:18 p.m. As it says again, the Dow Jones tumbles 475 points, and the S&P 500 suffers the worst day since January as inflation woes erupt. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Makarkadash, and the Heavenly Father. True name is like Yahweh, and His unbegotten Son, Bahashem, in the name of Mashiach Yahweh Shai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lashwan Kadash, the tongue. And shalom to the elders, wa akim wa akwaf. Until next time, I will say shalom.